Glucerna Nutritional Shake, Rich Chocolate, 8 FL Oz bottle, 6 count. Product details. Glucerna Original Nutrition Shakes are scientifically designed to help people with diabetes manage blood sugar. Our shakes have CARBSTEADY, unique blends of slow-release carbohydrates, as well as 10 grams of high-quality protein, vitamins A and D, zinc, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E. They make delicious grab-and-go meal or snack replacements. Gluten-free and suitable for lactose intolerance, but not for people with galactosemia. Glucerna is the #1 nutrition brand recommended by doctors for people with diabetes. Designed to help minimize blood sugar spikes compared to high glycemic carbohydrates. Replace one poor meal or snack choice. Scientifically designed for people with diabetes, Glucerna Nutrition Shakes are a simple way to help manage carb intake so you can stay on track. #1 Doctor Recommended Brand. Glucerna is the #1 doctor recommended nutrition brand for people with diabetes. Designed to help manage blood sugar, has CARBSTEADY, unique blends of slow-release carbohydrates to help minimize blood sugar spikes. Nutrients for immune system support. Our nutritional shake for diabetics has protein, vitamins A and D, zinc, and antioxidants, vitamins C and E and selenium. Accepting SNAP EBT on grocery pickup for this item. Directions. Instructions. Use as part of a diabetes management plan. Use under medical supervision.